Hi, my name is Gareth van Zyl and I'm the editor of ITWeb Africa.com, and welcome to this week's market report where we look at the best and worst performing technology shares in Africa. It's been quite a quiet sort of last 2 weeks on the bourses across the globe, mainly owing to concerns about Europe's economy and the recession that has ensued in that particular continent. So markets have been quite sort of cautious and wary about what's going to happen down the line. However, from today we've seen a bit of an uptake in terms of buying on stock markets such as the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, which has picked up a bit and is once again reaching those record levels that it's been touching earlier this year. And one particular company on South Africa's JSE that's doing well at the moment is a company called Reunert. So basically this is a technology and telecommunications firm that owns firms such as Nashua Mobile. So Nashua Mobile sells cell phone contracts and that sort of thing, and they're doing pretty well at the moment. They released some of their financial results this week, and basically their revenues have increased by about 7%, while their operating profit has been boosted by about 10%. So it's on the back of that their share price has actually increased, just over 2% today in trade to reach about 74 Rand per share. One share, once again, that is not doing very well on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange is Telkom. It's really become probably, one of a handful of the worst performing shares on the JSE for 2012. It is a share to watch at the moment. I think the last time that I spoke about Telkom a few weeks ago, their share price was probably hovering around the 18 Rand per share mark, but now it's at about 16 Rand. So that is quite a significant drop. And of course, it's come on the back of the CEO having announced that she's set to resign next year. There's also been a whole lot of other kind of high-ranking officials within the firm that have announced their resignations of late. However, there's some optimism about Telkom at the moment, insofar as I've got a new chairman in the form of Jabu Mabuza. He's actually a former taxi driver, now turned high-flying businessman, and the market has been reacting quite well to his appointment. People have been saying that Telkom would be in good hands in terms of his position, and that he's quite independent as well, that he won't be swayed by what the government wants in terms of that fixed line operator's future endeavours. So their share at the moment, it's up slightly today at 0.6% at 16 Rand, but it's definitely on the kind of stock to watch at the moment. If there's any more bad news that hits Telkom, I mean really that share price is probably just going to go even lower. That's pretty much it from my side for this week. Thanks for tuning in, and goodbye.